First thing we want to do with a problem like this, if we want to solve the equation by graphing, what we're going to do is rewrite the equation so that y equals this equation here, this expression. So y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. After we do this, we're now ready to find the vertex of our equation. We're going to start by finding the x value of the vertex, which can be found by using this equation. B is a negative 5, so our negative b would be minus a negative 5, which is a positive 5. We divide that by 2 times a. A equals 1, so that'll be 2 times 1, which is 2, which is all equal to 2.5. Perfect. All right, now that we have our x value, we're going to insert that x value back into our equation to find the y value. I'm going to say y equals 2.5 squared minus 5 times 2.5 plus 6. All right, 2.5 squared is 6.25. 5 times 2.5 is 12.5 plus 6. All right. If we want to do this, we'll notice that 6.25 minus 12.5 is actually a negative 6.25. We still have the plus 6 down here. Equals 0.25, negative 0.25, or negative 25 hundredths. Now we have our y value. So we have our x and y value. Our x value is 2.5. Our y value is a negative 25 hundredths. Good. This is our vertex. After we have our vertex, we'll form our table. In the middle of our table, we want to put the vertex. We want to choose integers that are of equal distance away from that x coordinate in the vertex. So we're going to choose 3 on this side. It's 0.5 units away. Then we'll also choose 2 on this side because it's also 0.5 units away. Then we can start choosing representative for x that are equal distance away from these points. So we'll choose 4. We're going to stick with integers because they're easy to work with, and 1. Now, if we put a 2 back into our equation, we'll realize that 2 squared is 4. A negative 5 times 2 is a negative 10. 4 minus 10 is a negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Because a parabola is symmetrical, we'll see that the y value for this x and the y value for this x will be the same. We can test that out. 3 squared is 9. Negative 5 times 3 is a negative 15. 9 minus 15 is a negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. It all checks out. Let's put it in the 1 and check what the y value will be for this x. Put in 1. 1 squared is 1. This will be negative 5 times 1. That's a 1 minus 5. That'll be a negative 4. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2. Because of symmetry, this 4 would also be 2. Now we have enough to graph our parabola. Then we can go 2.5 and a negative 25 hundredths. We see that it meets, its roots are at 2 and 3. So 2, 0, and 3, 0. Then at the x value of 1, we have a y value of 2. And at the x value of 4, we have a y value of 2 as well. Our parabola comes up like a nice curve. It's curved nicely, We have around 5 points, just what I like. We have our roots at 2 and 3. So this is our solution. And we solve for our roots. Good luck, you guys. Have a great day.